Did you know you can invest in a money market fund as a company, a chama, or just a group and earn interest? Today, I'll take you through the process of opening a company, a chama, or a group money market fund. As a company or a group, if you put your money in a savings account that does not earn you anything or whose interest is lower than the inflation rate, you're losing money in that account. You can make more money by investing in low-risk investments that will still preserve your capital until you contribute enough for your next project. If you have money in a bank account, it's time to transfer it to a money market fund and start earning interest in these easy to follow steps. It will take you only less than 5 minutes to do this. Money market funds have an option for group investing, and all you need to do is to open a money market fund account under groups and start earning from your contributions. Examples of such money market funds that offer group investing here in Kenya include Etica MMF Fund, Lofty Corban Money Market Fund, Britam Money Market Fund, CIC Money Market Fund, and others. To illustrate how to invest in a money market fund as a group, we will use Etica Money Market Fund. So you will need personal information for at least 2 people, and these people will be your nominated signatories. You'll also need their identification and phone numbers. Other MMFs will require you to fill a document with the details of the individuals in the group. So now, the process is very simple. You'll just Google Etica Money Market Fund or download the application. The sign-in process for the app and that of the website is the same, so I will use one. So we are going to Google Etica Money Market Fund, then click on Open Account. And this is where you are going to select the account type, and instead of individual, you will select a joint account if your chama or group is not registered. But if your chama or group is registered, you will just select self-help group. You will then check the 2 boxes and click on next. The first question is whether you're a politically exposed person. Choose yes or no. Then now it's time to add the signatories, and you can see you must have at least 2, but you can add more if you like. You will also include the titles of those signatories. After this, you will verify your phone numbers, then verify your emails, and then create a password, and finally, you will be needed to upload your KYC documents. The KYC documents include copies of the KRA pins for the signatories and their IDs. And from there, you can just start investing your money in this account. So it is as simple as that. So go ahead and open an account for your chama, and happy investing. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more investment opportunities and share these with friends.